So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check to make sure you have only your own gradebook category assignment type set up and that you're not using the district ones because those can cause some issues in SIS. After that, we will input whatever percentages your CLT has decided for each of those assignment types. So I'm logged into SIS, and in the top blue toolbar, I'm going to hover over Gradebook and click on Gradebook Setup. After I'm in Gradebook Setup, you can take a look here and first check. You might have Add My Types to the district types. Please click on Only Show My Types and click Update. So you should see here unit assessments, quizzes, classwork, and homework. Those are the 4 assignment types that we have school-wide at Herndon Middle School. You can see that for whatever reason, I have these 2 weird ones in here, formative and summative. So I need to set up assignment types. So to do that, I'm going to click along this gray toolbar here to assignment types. And in the right-hand corner, I see this plus new button. So I'm going to click that. And where it says assignment type, that's where I'll go in and put my first one. Unit assessment. Sequence doesn't matter. Yes, I want the due date. You can come back and do the color picker later if you want. I'm going to leave it out for right now due to time. And I'll click insert. And now I'll continue repeating the process for the rest of the 3. So plus, assignment type, quizzes, sequence doesn't matter, but I need to put something in. 1, due date, yes. And in the top right, insert. Top right again, I'll click plus and new. Classwork is the next type. 1, due date, yes. Oops, yes, and insert. And finally, plus for new. Last type, homework. 1, I want to due date, yes, and insert. All right. And so for any that you have weird ones in here that you want to get rid of on this page, you'll notice that whenever I hover next to a type, there's a little edit row or an X that appears. And so this summative is not a type I'm ever going to use. So I can click the X to the left of it to delete the row. And see how it says delete is the action I want to do. In the top right-hand corner, I need to click the green save. Are you sure? Yes. And I'll do that again. This formative one is weird, just to show you again. So hover next to the one you don't want anymore. I don't need this assignment type. So I'm going to click the X for delete row. It hasn't actually deleted yet. I need to go up to the right-hand corner and click on the green save. Okay. So now I've made sure I have my 4 assignment types that I am allowed to use. So I'm going to come back up to this gray bar here and click on Gradebook Setup. So again, make sure you have only show my types, update that if you need to, and you have your classwork, homework, quizzes, and unit assessment. So at this time, get out your Post-it with your CLT percentages, and you can put in your weight percents for each of the categories. I'm going to put in, as an example, classwork 30%, homework 10, quizzes 30, unit assessments 30. And you'll see it shows me success 100%. I'm not doing drop scores. Default, leave that as is. Literally the only one you're updating is weight percent. And then check out, if you scroll down to the bottom, please click on whatever other classes this applies to and click the green update. And you're all set.